everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wish haul for you guys. Always remember that when I do wish hauls like this, the items will always be listed down in the description bar. I will tell you usually the size that I get it in, if there's any like clarification that they're asking for, like color, or if there's a sizing or something like that. I'll tell you usually what I order from that specific vendor, and I'll usually leave a link below so you guys can find that item. Do remember that some of these vendors do close down and other ones open up, so if you can't find the exact item from what I send, if it like gets taken down or something like that, you can still find that item. There are multiple vendors on Wish, and that you always want to keep looking for just the cheapest price that you can, or at least a good vendor. Please definitely look at the comments and everything. You know, people have tried these things out and they can give you actual feedback from these vendors. So if they're telling you no, it's a horrible product, don't buy it. I mean, sometimes you don't know till you buy it yourself as well, so kind of goes hand in hand. But definitely look at the reviews, because that's usually how I get items that, you know, most of them I'm pretty happy with. I have no issues. Let's go ahead and get into this. I've got 7 items to open for you guys, and 1 item that I've actually opened previously just because I needed to use it for something, but I'll get back to that later. Okay, so let's just start with the first one. Okay, I finally gave in and got a squishy. Oh. That does not smell good. That does not smell good. I don't know why I keep smelling it. It's just, that does not smell good. But it's really squishy. Very slow rising. It's supposed to be a like galaxy panda. I only laugh at this because I do like squishies. I actually have this one that's from Maru. I bought this one a while back and I love this thing. It's awesome, but also it smells like strawberries. It smells so good. But this thing was expensive. So I just wanted to try something out, and this thing's massive. And this thing was so much cheaper than this one. Okay, second one. Next. Oh, okay. Alright, let me take this one out of here first before I try to show you guys. Okay, if you guys do not know, or if you haven't noticed, I have an industrial bar on my right side, and then I've got singles, doubles, and triples on both of my ears. And I've got a lot going on this side, but like my other ear, I don't have anything done on the cartilage. And to me it looks a little funny. I'm like, oh, it looks uneven. So I saw this on Wish. It's a little like ear cuff. Yeah, it's just a small little silver ear cuff, and I thought it was just something nice to kind of add to it. I'm a little worried though, because I don't know if it's like squished or what, but the clamp on, like, it's really tight together, and I'm a little scared of putting that on my ear. Yeah, I think it lost its shape when it was getting sent here, you know, through shipping. It's okay. You can definitely tell like it's not fitting like it should, and it's kind of falling off. Yeah, like it looks cute, but I just feel like it's gonna like slide down and then fall off or something. It's not like rounded like it should be. It's not cylindrical. It kind of like, from the side it looks like a teardrop, like it comes together at a point, and I had to like pry that apart to even put it around my cuff of my ear. So I mean, it's okay. Still looks cute. Maybe this should just push me to get it pierced again. This video. Okay, next item. What do we got? I'm laughing because this is so much smaller than what I thought it was going to be. Oh my god, this is funny. This is really funny. Okay, I know that this is technically a dupe for another type of sponge. I can't remember what brand came out with this, but it's supposed to look like a diamond. It is misshapen, for one. It's like Do you see that? It goes this way. Like that does not look right. That does not. The top's kind of okay, just the bottom looks so stupid because it's not cut the way it's supposed to. So you guys can go ahead and see, like, the color is pretty, the pattern is really nice. They had so many different colors. It's just, it's so small. Like, this is supposed to be a beauty blender. It doesn't feel like the greatest material. It's a little stiff. I am curious if it's wet, like how much this thing will expand. But right now, yeah, this is just tiny and weird. I don't know. I'm still laughing at that. Okay, next item. Oh, I don't like the feel of this. That's the only thing. It's a head wrap. It's getting cold, and I'm not someone that likes to put on full hats. My hair gets super frizzy, so I'm like, I try to avoid it. So I was like, okay, and I saw this and I thought it was cute. Really nice, like, cable knit pattern. It's a dark gray. I'm like tempting if I want to put this on. Oh, I'll try it on. Let's try it on. Eee. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, it does cover my ears. Oh, I hate wearing these things. Okay, next item. I know you guys are probably thinking, why a spatula? Like that's just weird. Like why randomly? Well, I live in an apartment. I do not have all the tools that I usually had at home because my mama was very big into cooking and baking, and I kind of miss baking or other stuff like that. I don't have any like little spatulas, so I saw this one. For one, it's cute. For two, it's like a silicone spatula, and you know, it's actually good quality. Like, it's got some hard plastic in here, but the whole entire thing is like a nice soft silicone. And I did think this was going to be a little bit larger, but it's still not like a bad size. I think I just expected more from the picture. And they had multiple colors of this one. I just decided to get the blue. Okay, next one. I kept seeing this one. I just wanted to look into it, but I thought there'd be more. There's only one. It's Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Facial Mask. So this looks like it's the same maker as the under eye masks that I bought, and I think I showed you guys about, not the last Wish video, but the one before that. I think I unboxed that one along with the lip mask, but the under eye collagen mask, like, it looked like this, like the packaging looks the same. Instant lifting and firming, moisturizes and rehydrates, whitens and illuminates. It's a whitening? I don't need that. Activates cellular regeneration, collagen synthesis, skin pH. Okay, it does a lot. It does a lot of things. This one will be fun to try out. This thing looks huge. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the last packaged one. The other one, I just gotta show you guys. Oh, that looks better than I thought it would. Oh, that's staticky. Oh my god, no. Okay, this shirt I have seen on Wish for like ever. I really liked it. I love the way they had it on the model. It looked so good, honestly. And I have wanted to purchase it, and I finally was like, you know, let me just try it. Let me try it. Because I know some people were like, oh, the color's not exactly what it's supposed to be, which I can see. But it's supposed to be like a Chiffon long sleeve shirt. It's got a collar. There's the front of it. It's got pockets on each side. The material's a little bit different than I thought it was going to be. This is definitely a little bit thinner, more of like that easily wrinkled material. Part of it too with this shirt is that I love the way like the pants for the model and the way this shirt like paired with it. It was so cute. Okay, so here's this one. It's supposed to be a brown top. It's got a collar, the laced front. I feel like if this was tucked into a pair of pants, yeah, like this is cute. So I think if this is like tucked into a pair of pants or something, let's step back a little more. Like this would look nice, but just like flowy down It was a little weird. Alright, and the last item that I got at Wish was the infamous sticky bra. Now, I had an event that was coming up, and I was kind of like hoping that this would show up before the event, and thankfully it did. It literally showed up like the day before, and I wanted to just try it out. I had a dress that wasn't necessarily backless, but I know like around the side over here, and especially in the front, and it also had like one of those open hole, like one of those keyholes in the front. Usually I would just wear like pasties for them and it'd be fine, but I kind of want something with support. So when I saw this, I'm like, oh, this could work out. And I don't hate this, but I also don't love it. It was very nice. It got the job done. It kept feeling like it was gonna fall off. Like it does have a lot of stickiness to it, but when you put it on, I noticed on the sides here, on the thicker areas, it was almost like it was peeling off. Now when I had my dress on, no problem whatsoever. But let's say if I'm not wearing like a super tight dress, then this wouldn't work. This would slowly start to fall off. But with the dress I was wearing, it wasn't bad. It wasn't horrible. And I mean, I love this idea of having the lace front and being able to tighten it, everything, because I was able to like put it on no problem, and it definitely gave me like a serious lift. Okay, and then for sizing, I am a 32D, and now when everybody hears D, they're like, oh my god, that's such a large size. But you have to remember, if anybody is a bra fitter out there, then you guys understand that when you say like 32D, yes, that is large, but that is large for someone who is just small around. So I have a very small rib cage, which is why I'm a 32. I have a large breast size for my rib cage. But the thing is, everybody hears D, they think that you're talking about someone who's like a 40D, who has a larger rib cage. Now, that cup size is going to be completely different. Like, it's going to be a lot larger than mine. So everybody sees me and they're like, oh, you're 32D. Like, how are you that size? Like, you don't look that large. And it's like, I am for my size around. Usually people who are a 32 for rib cage are only about an A or B. C at most. And that's pushing it. Like, usually I can only buy my bras at Victoria's Secret, because since they are a bra specified store, I can find them. Other places like outlet stores or stuff like Target or Walmart or stuff like that, I cannot normally find my size because they don't normally carry that, or if they do, it's very limited, very, very limited. So I have to keep that in mind when it comes to buying cupped bras like this. Like, these don't have a band. They're just the cup. So they come in like A, B, C, D. I did not see a double D on there. So if I would have bought a D in this would have been huge for my actual breast size. So this is actually a B cup, and it did fine. I think actually getting a C would not be a bad idea, but I think it would be just too much because this actually comes up pretty far. So even with the B, it was kind of reaching a point where in my dress it was going to be a problem, but it still did fine. Yeah, so I think if I got a C, it would just be a little too much, but I felt like I needed a little bit more coverage, like towards the bottom side of my breast. But as I said, it worked. It did fine. It really pulled them together with this thing. It looked good. It's not bad. It's just, yeah, I wish that it was maybe just a little bit stickier so it wouldn't like try to fall off. I don't know if that's just common with these, or you just have to wear something really tight with them when you're wearing these bras. But, and the nice thing is I can reuse it for a while. Like, I just put the plastic bag on here, so next time I have to use it for a dress or something, which might be pretty soon, I can just put this on, no problem. Well, that is everything that I have for you guys today. And who knows, more Wish items might be coming. I hope you guys are liking this series and everything that I'm doing. I enjoy Wish hauls, so I hope that you guys are enjoying them as well. I love showing you all the items that I receive, and you know, sometimes they're fun. I mean, sometimes they're really bad. Sometimes clothing is always 50-50, but sometimes they're, you know, pretty good stuff. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me, lets me know that you guys actually, you know, enjoy these videos. And if you like me, then please subscribe. Thank you all.